In today's video, we are going to be doing a mocktail or non-alcoholic version of the French 75. The French 75 is a champagne cocktail that dates back to World War I. It was named after a field gun that the French used that was known for being light, mobile, and packing a kick, just as the French 75 cocktail did. So today in our mocktail version of it, we are going to be using Aplos hemp-infused spiritless spirit for our gin replacement. For our champagne replacement, we're going to be using the Surely Brut, which is a nice, dry, non-alcoholic sparkling wine. We're going to start by icing up our mixing glass. And then we are going to add 1 ounce of the Aplos. This is a nice botanical profile, so it's going to make a really great gin replacement. Then we're going to do a 1/2 ounce fresh lemon juice that I have measured out here, followed by 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. This simple syrup that I'm using is a sugar-free simple syrup made with monk fruit sweetener. If you'd like to check out how to make monk fruit sweeteners for your mocktails, check out this video right here. And we're going to use a 1/2 ounce. I'm going to go ahead and measure that out for you. Then we're going to give it a really nice shake. After we've shaken, we're going to go ahead and give that a double strain into our glass. The glassware for the French 75 changed a little bit over the years, from a coupe to a highball and then to what you usually see, a flute. Then we're going to top it off with our 3 ounces of champagne or our Surely dry sparkling and garnish it with a lemon twist. I like to get that twist going over the top of the mocktail so that we get all that great zest in there too. All right, there we go. A mocktail version of the French 75. Ooh, that's tasty. It's delicious. For more mocktail recipes, you're going to want to check out these videos here. And then for all things non-alcoholic, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Cheers! Ooh, that's good.